Good morning, comrades. Today we are going to Instant Ramen Noodles Museum, and as you can see, I am switching things up. My videos now will be a little bit bloggy style, but it's the same series. It's outgoing, so let's go and see Ramen Museum. We arrived at Ikeda station, and as you can see, I'm wearing a mask and my wife is wearing a mask. So you also should do when you're taking public transportation. It saves lives. And another thing that saves lives is subscribing to my channel. So hit the like button, subscribe, and we will also now go and find some food. And after we eat some lunch, we'll go see some ramen museum. So we settled on some chain restaurant, and it seems like they serve katsudon and rice and some noodles, so we'll try and see how it tastes. Here's the place we are going to try some food. Seems the name is Matsunoya. Matsu, as far as I know, is pine, like pine tree. So I guess it's just okay. I will tell you how it tasted after I try it. This is what I get. Is Japanese noodles, very thick noodles, but with curry sauce or curry broth. Okay, so it was 1,300 yen, which is roughly about $13 for 2 people. It was really good for the price. Here reminds me of statue of Lenin. Because in my childhood there were so many statues of Lenin standing like this. Now on sale. So those are probably now available in shops, I guess. And those are all legacy. The Instant Ramen Tunnel. And this is the first ramen ever made, or first instant ramen. Looked like this. It was year 1958. Huge cup noodles. I would like to try this one. Huge! As you can see to scale, it's almost bigger than me. Here you can try your own ramen.
ご購入していただけますので、もしご入場の際は
This seems to be the replica of the house where the inventor or maker of first cup noodles lived. Now we cannot enter it, but it looks like a cool place.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
It is the first machine that was making the dried ramen for the instant ramen. And this is the packaging machine. It seems like it's his family. Okay, so we got ourselves a cool t-shirt with a chicken, and we also got 2 cups of noodles. I myself got double garlic and double cheese. The only choice, definitely, you cannot choose anything else. Double garlic, double cheese with noodles, right? That's the good choice. And yeah, it seems like now we know everything about cup noodles.